Tire changing machines are used to remove and mount tires on rims fast and efficiently. Installing and removing car tires with a tire changing machine protects the rims and also makes the whole process easy. There are 4 main types of tire changing machines: the manual type, semi-automatic, automatic, and touchless tire changing machines. Tire changing machines are becoming popular and popular. So let's go through the 4 main types of tire changing machines. Let me kickstart with the manual type. These are the most basic type of tire changing machines. They rely mostly on manpower to remove and install tires. Cracking and removing tires is manually done by the vulcanizer. The second type is semi-automatic tire changers. Semi-automatic tire changers offer a mixture of manpower and automated functions. They aid vulcanizers and mechanics to remove and mount tires with less effort by cracking tires, gripping and rotating tires for easy removal and mounting. The semi-automatic tire changers has bead breaker, turning table and pneumatic lever that aid mechanics or vulcanizers in removing and changing tires very fast. If you are planning to set up or upgrade your auto repair shop, I have set up packages that includes all modern tools and equipment you need to set up. I and my team in China ship them directly from China to your address. The next is fully automatic tire changers. These are advanced machines with fully automated functions, requiring less manpower to change car tires. They reduce the time and effort needed to change car tires, which aid fast services. The automated system provides consistent and precise handling of rims and tires, reducing the risk of damage. They are ideal for high volume shops that need to change many tires quickly and efficiently. The last but not the least is touchless tire changers. These are advanced tire changing machines that use a combination of robotics and automation to change tires. They eliminate the risk of scratching and damaging rims, which is crucial for high-end and delicate wheels. They are very fast and efficient, suitable for handling large volumes of tire changes. Apart from the manual tire changer, the rest of the three are operated by using air or electric, or the combination of the two. Every tire changing machine has its maximum and minimum rim size it can work with. Usually they come as rim 12 to rim 21 or 22, or rim 12 to rim 24. I recommend rim 12 to rim 24, which will give you more room to work with different sizes of car rims. I hope you learned something from this video. Subscribe to my channel because I have more educational videos coming up for you.